if anything comes up. Wait, zoom it up. Do me a favor, like, point the camera, more away from you, or what's on this side of you? What's on the other side of you? What's that way? And point it down. Yeah. Oh, good. That's good. That's a good view. Let's see what's on the bed. Let's just leave it there for a minute. Leave it there for a minute and see what happens. I'm gonna tell you what I see right now. There is something on your pillow that's kind of like just protoplasm or ectoplasm. And, why am I looking at something on my screen that has all this shit? Wait a second. Oh, I don't know if I... Oh, I'm gonna make it full screen. Enter full screen. There we go. Alright, well, full screen. Was that your finger that just came in the picture? Yeah, okay, take it out. Move your camera down a little more so I can see more of, like, the bed. Yeah, leave it on the bed like that. Okay, cool. Now, your bed's kind of lumpy. And I think yeah, alright. Just leave it like that. I wonder if any animals are gonna come around. Oh, I see something. I see a little kind of cat-looking thing. It's in the doorway, but it's not moving. Oh, and there's something kind of... Oh, they look kind of like Morgellons, actually. They're kind of these gray, wormy things that are large. They're like big, flat cats or something. There's 4 that are like back to back on the pillow. Now, I'm not sure how this is gonna come out at all. There's nothing like jumping like the other place, but I see a little bit. I see things on your bedspread. I just really do. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna zoom on it. Not that it's gonna make it that clear. Maybe I have to zoom out. I don't know. Wait. Can I zoom it out? Okay, I'll zoom it out. Am I looking in the wrong area? I still see this white thing in the doorway. It looks like I don't know what it looks like. The kitty cat. I don't want to take it too long because I won't be able to send it. So